Ladies and gentlemen, hello again. So I'm here in the garage now. This is my new camera. I hope it's working. The story is we have the Mazda here and it looks like so now. I put a lot of things out, as you can see on the side, because the engine need to out. Now you can see it under there. There's a lot of cables and pipes. The engine is dead because we have coolant water in the chambers and we need to fix it. So the plan is we take the engine out, take it to parts, clean it, repair it, and then get it back to the car. It's not so easy, but not so difficult. Now, like the parts out, you can see here is nothing. On the side, just a little bit, but this is okay for us. And now I will lift the car. Under there, I don't know how you can see it. I will show it from the side. So there is one point we need to lose, and the same one of the other side. Then we need to lose the engine from the exhaust, and from the transmission. Yeah, it will be a little bit of work. So this is how it's look like now. I don't film everything. Because it's not so satisfying to get the parts out. I will film when we taken the whole engine out. This will be a little bit difficult, but I hope not. So I will film this, and if you follow me on Instagram, you can see all the steps what we make. I post probably every time when I'm here and doing something on the car. I already ordered the new parts, what we need. Not all, but a part of it. And yeah, the garage is getting already better. We have more lights now, as you can see. Here too, now it's fixed. It keeps us warm, because now it's winter. Yeah, we have new tools. It's really cool. Now it's maybe 4 or 5 hours work in the car. Yesterday I left all the fluids down so we don't have any water and oil in the engine. And the next steps are we need to lose the exhaust, AC pump, then we need to take out all the pipes and the rest of the cables, and then we are probably done with it. And the transmission, yeah. So this is it for now. The car looks delicious, as always. Is really, really dirty. Maybe 1 or 2 videos I will post before end of the year. Yeah, we have a lot of work, but maybe 1 or 2 videos I will post before end of the year. A little bit spoiler, I'm going to Hungary after Christmas for a week maybe, and my friends there, they have a special car that I can drive, so I will film it and put it on YouTube, but I don't know when, so maybe it will be start of January or maybe end of December, I don't know, because we have time to drive this car at 29th or something like that, so I don't know, but I will film as much I can on my holiday, and I will keep you guys updated with the Mazda, how it's going. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see more. I post everything, not everything, but many pictures and videos when I'm working on the car. And yeah, I will try to make more content on TikTok. So you can follow me everywhere. I will put all the links in the description. I hope you are excited. I'm really excited to put the whole engine in parts. So see you in the next one.